Hello everyone, welcome back to PM Academy. Today's topic is recruitment tests or recruitment exams by Union Public Service Commission. Dear students, recruitment exam means the recruitments to various posts are filled up by Union Public Service Commission in a particular year, or that's why actual in the Union Public Service Commission's website you will see a calendar is there. In that calendar sections you will find different type of the exams which are conducted under UPSC in particular that year, and notifications, particularly the dates, exam dates, notification dates are given in the advance. So under the section of the calendar in the website, and that is title is there actual, and particular in that calendar it is mentioned recruitment exams of UPSC, and today I am focusing on the recruitment exams of 2022, and similarly in the next year like 2023-24 almost same was the exam to be conducted, but in the dates of notification, dates of the exam, it may vary according to the situations. Dear students, while discussing the topic, coming to the topic actually, dear students, my request to you to be a subscriber of my channel if you are fast viewer, and to like my lecture or like my channel. Now I am coming to the topic. Dear students, everyone knows that actually we got independence in 1947. Our constitution came into being 26th Jan 1950. But before that, the Public Service Commission was there. Before independence, the Public Service Commission's name was Federal Public Service Commission. By the Government of India Act 1935, which came into effect in the 1st April 1937, the Public Service Commission was named as Federal Public Service Commission. Under the name of or the Federal Public Service Commission, from 1937 to till Constitution came into being in January 26, 1950, it was named Federal Public Service Commission. But when the Constitution came into being 26th Jan 1950, this the Federal Public Service Commission was renamed as Union Public Service Commission by virtue of the clause 1 of Article 378 of Indian Constitutions. And the chairman and members of Federal Public Service Commissions became the chairman and the members of Union Public Service Commission, also by the virtue of the clause 1 of Article 378 of the Indian Constitutions. If you see the present date actually, in the Union Public Service Commission, we have 8 members including chairman, means chairman plus 7 other members. Dear students, this Union Public Service Commission plays very the vital role for the filling of the vacancies of all the top level posts of the Government of India, like IAS, IPS, IRS, Indian Forest Service, Indian Geological Service, Statistical Service, Economic Service, and Medical Service. In this way, different type of posts are filled up by the Union Public Service Commissions. That's why the specific calendar is there, and where it is notification is there, date of notification, and also the date of exams. Before taking you to the different type of the recruitment test, I just want to tell you the UPSC functions. UPSC functions mentioned under Article 320 of the Constitution of India. What are the functions under the Article 320? First one is to conduct the exams for appointment to services of the Union. Secondly, direct recruitment by selection through interviews. Third one is appointment of officers on promotion, deputation of or observations. Fourth one is advising the government on any matter referred to the commission by the President of India. In this way, the commission or the Union Public Service Commission functions. Now, I am taking you to the today's topic. What type of the recruitments are done by Union Public Service Commission? First one, I am taking you to the Engineering Services Preliminary Examination, which is conducted by the UPSC, that is in February, because that is engineering services exam by UPSC. It is in the two ways, preliminary and the main modes. So preliminary exam is held in February and main exam is held in June. That is relating to the engineering services examinations. I am taking you to the second one. Combined geoscientific exam, that is preliminary exam is conducted in the January and the main exam in June. Then third test I am taking you, CISF, Central Industrial Security Force, AC means Assistant Commandant Executive for Limited Departmental Competitive Exam Post, also conducted by the UPSC. That is conducted generally in the month of March every year. Then I am taking you to the fourth one, NDA, National Defense Academy, and NA, Naval Academy Exam 1, that is conducted in the month of April. Then I am taking the fifth one, that is CDS, Combined Defense Services Exam 1, CDS 1, that is also in the month of April every year. Then I am taking you next one, very popular exam of the UPSC, that is the Civil Services Exam for IAS, IPS, IRS, or you can say postal, railways, customs. So all type of services which are filled up by UPSC through the civil services, that popularly known as Civil Services Exam. The prelim is conducted in the June and main is conducted in the September. Then I am taking you to the seventh one, that is Indian Economic Service or Indian Statistical Service. That exam is conducted in the month of June. Almost every year. Then I am taking you another one, that is eighth one, you can say Indian Forest Services Exam. Indian Forest Services Exam, that preliminary is conducted in the June and main is conducted in the November. Then ninth one I am taking you, Combined Medical Services Exam, that is conducted in July. Dear students, Combined Medical Services Exam. Then 10th one I am taking you, Central Armed Police Forces, that is the ACS, Assistant Commandant Exam in month of August. Particularly a Central Armed Police Forces for Assistant Commandant Post exam in the month of August. Then 11th one, that is NDA, National Defense Academy and Naval Academy exam 2nd, that is in September. It is conducted second time because every year CDS and NDA exams conducted twice. So it is conducted in the September. NDA and NA exam in the September. That is the 2. Then I am taking with the next one, 12th one, CDA exam 2, that is conducted in the September. CDA means that is a combined defense exam, Combined Defense Services Exam, that is conducted in the September. That is the second exam, CDA 2nd. Then last one, dear student, that is SO or Steno grade B or grade 1, that is LDCE, Limited Departmental Competitive Exam, also conducted by UPSC mostly in the month of December every year. And these are the exams which are conducted by Union Public Service Commission every year. That's why that calendar is there. You can see all these exam notification dates and also dates of the exam. It has been specified. and below that actual one specification is there. The dates of notification, commencement of exam, duration of the exam or the recruitment test are liable to alteration if circumstances so warrant. If any circumstance arises, so it can change. Before coming to the lecture, dear students, once again request you to subscribe my channel if you are first viewer and like my channel. Thank you very much, dear students.